In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow libraries. This is an excellent feature for those of you working with design systems and needing a centralized approach for sharing across different sites in your workspace. It's important to note right off the bat that this feature is available on paid workspace plans, so make sure your plan supports it before diving in. To get started, you'll want to log in to your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, head over to your Webflow dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all your projects and settings, so you should be quite familiar with it if you're a regular Webflow user. Next, navigate to the Marketplace section, which is where you'll find all sorts of resources for designing and expanding your Webflow site. Once you're in the Marketplace, look for the Libraries section. You'll see that libraries are collections of components and layouts that you can integrate into your Webflow projects, which makes them incredibly valuable for streamlining your design process. When you're in the Libraries section, you can refine your search to show free libraries by using the filter options. Here, you'll see a slider that you need to turn on to filter by free libraries. This is a great way to explore what's available without any additional cost. Browse through the available libraries and select the one that fits your needs. Open it up and you'll notice an option to Install Library, Free. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose the site where you want this library installed. Make your selection based on which project you think will benefit most from the design components in this library. Once installation is complete, you'll need to incorporate these new components into your project. For this, head over to the Add panel, which is represented by a little plus button on your screen. Clicking this opens up various sections, including Layouts and Components. This is where you'll find the newly installed library components. Now that you have your components ready and accessible, it's time to bring them to life on your canvas. Simply drag and drop the components you want to use. This process not only saves time, but ensures consistency in design across your projects. You'll find that these libraries streamline your workflow, making it easier to maintain a cohesive design system. With these steps followed, you should now have a good understanding of how to utilize Webflow libraries to enhance your web design projects. By centralizing your design elements, you can work more efficiently and maintain consistency across the sites within your workspace. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to play around with different libraries to see how they can best suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.